What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you the best keyboard that you can get on your iPhone. Here we go.
1, 2, 3,
Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome to the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of the next videos to come, next tips and tricks for your iPhone and Android. So here we go. Let's look it up. Let's go to App Store. The keyboard we're looking at today is the Gboard by Google Keyboard. This is the best keyboard, I think, for the iOS device. If you're ever gonna look for any other keyboard, this is the best one. Most useful keyboard, versatile keyboard that you could ever get. Android users brag about their keyboards, but if you look here, you can have everything. They have GIFs, they have the swipe feature, they have all that. So we're gonna go ahead and break down all that. Let's go ahead and open it up right here. So first and foremost, once you download it, you'll be able to go to this page right here. You will need to set it up. So first and foremost right here, set up Gboard. What you need to do is tap keyboards, turn on Gboard, turn on full access. So let's get started. Right there, now we're brought to the Gboard area here. We have to click keyboards, turn on Gboard, and make sure that full access is turned on. Press allow, and there you go. We are all set. We can go back again to the Gboard app right there. Now we can go ahead and choose our languages. In our case, I just choose English for Canada. Keyboard settings, all the settings that you can get right here. Lots of settings like glide typing, emoji suggestions, voice input. You can go ahead and play around with this. Auto correction, I just turned that off. I don't need that. Enable caps lock, one hand mode. That was pretty cool. Enable haptic feedback on key press. I don't like that, you know, in Android where it presses, every time you press something it like vibrates. I don't like that. So there you go. There's search settings as well. You can turn on location access. You can turn it off if you want. I just turned mine on. Let's look at themes as well. In this case, you'll be able to download themes right here, or all the landscape. There's also the customized one where you can add your own. You can press the plus button there and pick any photo you like for your keyboard. In this case, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Let's see, maybe we want dark mode or just a normal mode. So I'm just gonna do it in normal mode, make it look clean. There's stickers as well. Lots of stickers that you can download from favorites and on their browse menu here. So that's pretty cool. If you like the Android type of blobs, you can have that right there as well. So lots of options, lots of stickers. So you can see all the stickers there. So we can go ahead and test it out now. Just go to our messenger. And how you want to do that is 3D touch your keyboard and make sure you choose Gboard right there. And now we have Gboard. So in this case, as you already seen, you can use this one-handed. First and foremost, to type, nice and easy. What you could do is, let's say you can swipe like that. The boy jumped over the moon. So nice and easy, nice typing right there. It kind of makes the predictive touch there kind of useless because you'll be swiping it anyway, but that's okay. That's just for correcting it, I guess. There's also emojis right there. It's pretty cool. You can also press this, which brings you to the search engine. So let's say you're talking to someone and you want to search for something. Let's say you want to search for jump search. It'll show you here the places that you can go to. So you can see there some videos, and then you can go ahead and share that to your friend right there. Press send, and there you go. In this case, you won't need to go to Google, to a separate app to do all this. You'll be able to do it all in one in the Gboard. So let's go ahead and go to translate now. You're talking to someone on a different language, maybe Spanish or French or something like that in Canada. and you have no idea what it is, then what you could do is use translate. The keyboard will detect automatically for you what that sentence might be. When you're talking to someone, be able to translate it all in one app. You don't have to go and open up Google Translate to do that. You'll be able to do it all in this keyboard. Next thing we have is YouTube. So let's say you want to share a YouTube video to your friend, and let's say Despacito. There you go. You'll be able to just go ahead and play it right here and then, which will shoot up the app, or you can share it. You can share the new video of Taylor Swift right there. Share, and there you go. Nice and easy. You can do it all in one app, all in this keyboard. We can go ahead and keep looking at the maps. Maybe you want to share your location, my current location, maybe a Boston Pizza nearby or teriyaki corner. You can do all this, again, all in one app. That's pretty good. There you go. Nice and easy way to have all your things here, all in one keyboard. You can change your themes. You can have one-handed mode like that. Or if you're left-handed, you can click this and it will go on this side. You can also make your own GIFs right here. Let's see if you can. There you go. You can go ahead and send that to your friend as well. You can paste it and now it's a GIF. There you go. Again, you can do this all in one app. That's pretty cool. Here are the GIFs. Maybe you want to send that to your friend. There you go. Nice and easy. We can go look at the stickers now, where you can use this and you can paste it there, and you'll be able to send that to your friend as well. That's pretty cool. They also have happy faces like that, like Japanese characters. There we go. We can send that right there. A flip table. It's pretty cool. They also have handwritten right there. We can go ahead and send that as well. And there you go. So many ways to use this keyboard, and I love this keyboard. Helped me a lot on my everyday task, especially if you want to type fast. You'll be able to just swipe through different letters, and you'll be able to type real fast one-handedly. Different themes for your keyboard. There's so many ways, and it'll only get better from now on. I remember before when it first started, the Gboard wasn't really that good because it wasn't compatible completely with the iOS 12. And now that Google is working hard to make it more efficient, now we can use this keyboard much properly now. There's less bugs each and every day. They try to tweak it, update it as much as they can. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip, having Gboard to optimize and upgrade our normal keyboard. I'm really glad that we can have this customized keyboard nowadays. This wasn't the case back in the day in iOS, and now it's a little bit more open, and we can have these kind of perks on our iOS device. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Little quick video on little overview of Gboard. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Help out a friend here. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers so I can show you guys my merch and different stuff. Thanks for your continual support. Make sure to hit that like button and share this to your friends. This will help me increase my watch time as well. And make sure you check out my merch, lightweight apparel, and see you guys next time. Stay grateful. Peace.